All right, so you just started a VFit package here with us. What are you looking to get out of it?
I want to get back up to where I was during track. I'm a mid-distance runner. I kind of just want to be able to get back into track and feel good and not have to worry about my past injury coming back.
All right, so you just finished up 12 VFit here with us. What do you feel you got out of it?
I feel like I've gained a lot of confidence back. When I first got the injury and started to recover from it, I was still worried that I'd re-injure myself. So I was kind of scared to do a lot of the things I would normally do, but VFit, especially with the BFR cuffs, helped me gain a lot of strength back in my legs, and I think that's really helped me regain the confidence that I lost because of the injury. And I've gotten back into track, which is very, very nice. I've been wanting to run for 9 or 10 months now, and it's nice that I've been able to get back into it.